One of the most simplest and most satisfying one-pot dish. That's khichdi for you. Let's make a healthy veg khichdi in the new Philips OneChef. Press the power button, select curry mode followed by Tadka preset and press start. Add ghee to the cooking pot. Once it's hot, add jeera, a pinch of hing. Now add chopped ginger, green chilies, curry leaves, onion and saute for about a minute. Tomato and cook for 3 more minutes until slightly soft. Add haldi, salt to taste, carrot, fresh green peas and cook for the remaining 3 minutes. Press the power button again, select boil mode followed by rice preset and set the timer to 45 minutes on medium heat. To the prepared tadka, add the soaked rice and dal. Add water and give it a good mix. Cover with a special glass lid and let cook for about 45 minutes or until soft and creamy. And done! Transfer to a serving dish and serve hot with pickle, roasted papad and raita. और हाँ, 1 चम्मच घी और हो तो बात ही क्या। देखा? One pot dish. Comfort food made easy with Philips OneChef. It's all you need.